One more step I want you to add to this cutout object is to put a field of color behind it so that the viewer can see that it's not just white type on black, but it's an actual cutout vector object. So I want to put a color rectangle behind this, so let's draw a rectangle. And if you didn't change anything since the last video, it should default to black. Make it kind of somewhat tall and thinner than your cutout object. So it's a black rectangle. If I come over here to the stroke and fill settings, double click on the fill, the color picker comes up. Choose any color you'd like. I'm going to choose like a nice deep blue. Click OK. So let me use the selection tool, the black arrow, to move it on top of my cutout object. And look what happens. The blue is on top of the object. Well, how do I do that? Well, again, remember, go to Object, Arrange, and we have these options available to us. Easiest thing to do is to have the object selected, send it to back, deselect, and there now we can see that if I move the blue back and forth, I'm going to be tricky, and I'm going to have the word cut in blue and the word out in white. So just, with that simple technique, you can make some really interesting looking logos just with these, using geometric shapes and the minus front Pathfinder tool.